So we have got this PlayStation 4 which came in as no display, and they actually got it fixed few days ago from another shop, and the display is gone within few days. And when they took it, they say no, you break it again, but that is not actually broken. So as you can see, this is bad soldering. See this is moving. I wonder, none of these, maybe it was just connected for a few days. See, not even, see, they all not a good soldering, and the flux is bad, it's sticking there. So what I would like to show you how to do a good soldering. So first of all, we will give it a clean. I want to remove the dry flux that was there, so that it doesn't interfere with our soldering. So let's start, and so just showing you how I do it. Plenty of flux. I will go a little bit more closer for you so that you can see clearly. Okay. So this flux will go away as soon as we hit it with soldering iron. So see, I'm just heating it from the one end and just feeding the solder. I was pretty clear for you. Let me make it little bit more here. Yeah, that's better. So see the right technique. So apply heat and then feed. So, and once this is done, we will give it a clean, and you will see how nicely, oh come on, so I will just move it a little bit here because okay, so move the board where you feel comfortable to feed and heat. But for this sort of good soldering, you have to use the right temperature, right tip, and the right. So as you can see, these both are connected with each other. So I will simply get a solder braid. And if this happens, that can happen in any this sort of micro soldering, just put the solder on it and give it a little bit of heat. See, Now I will apply a little bit more heat to make sure they doesn't come out for the rest of their life. As you can see, I have tilted the board. The reason behind is so that I can see these connectors clearly, so that I have got a good access to solder. Okay. Now we will check our soldering, and as you can see, all of them are nicely soldered. And should not have any problem. So let's check. Did you turn it on already? Okay. So hopefully it should work now. Yep. All good?
Yeah, all good.
No worries. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. See you in next video. Bye.